Okay, so this is the next question. It says university is math department has 10 professors and will offer 20 different courses next semester. Each professor will be assigned to teach exactly 2 of the courses, and each course will exactly have 1 professor assigned to teach it. If any prof can be assigned to teach any course, find in how many different complete assignments of the 10 profs to the course or to the courses are possible. So what is the understanding of this question? So a department has got 20 courses being offered. Now these 20 courses will be handled by 10 professors. Now each professor is assigned exactly 2 courses. Now this is the first professor, right? This is the assignment. Now these 2 subjects can also be assigned to the last prof, and similarly these 2 subjects can also be assigned to this prof. So when these 2 courses gets shifted out, the other 2 courses can be assigned. So there is no restriction at all, and each of the professors have to teach the 2 assigned courses to them. So they do not have any choices, but the HOD has the choice to assign the subjects. So that is the understanding. Now the courses that are being assigned is exactly 2 in number, nothing more, nothing less. Now once these 2 courses are assigned to the first prof, the courses followed of the queue. So we are only left with 18. So as we assign these courses, the subjects get removed from the queue. Okay, so that is a catch point. Now having given you that, let me give you the solution. The number of ways 2 subjects can be assigned to prof number 1, okay, to the first professor is going to be 20 C2 ways. Similarly, the number of ways the next 2 subjects can be assigned to the second professor is what? As I mentioned to you, those two subjects go off the queue. So you only have 18. And from 18 you have to arrange two subjects. So this is going to be the pattern. So moving on like this, the total number of ways the 20 subjects can be assigned to 10 professors is given in the following manner. First professor 20C2, second professor 18C2, third professor 16C2, fourth 14C2, fifth 12C2, sixth 10C2, seventh 8C2, eighth 6C2, ninth 4C2, 10th 2C2. Okay, now we need to calculate 20C2. So let me go to the next slide. Now NC2 has a formula which is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so we need to get that value. So one wonders, what is the significance of NC2? The meaning is number of ways that two items can be chosen from n distinct items. So this is the meaning of this. Now if you're still wondering how did we get this, we got this from the formula NCR, which is nothing but n factorial over r factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is the formula. Now our n is 20 and our r is 2 in this case, for the first case. See, this is the first case I'm talking about. So this is going to be 20C2, which is 20 factorial over 2 factorial times 20 minus 2 factorial, which is 20 factorial over 2 factorial is 2. 20 minus 2 factorial 2 is going to be 18. You have a factorial there. Now 20 factorial can be written as 20 times 19 times 18 factorial over 2 times of 18 factorial. Okay, now 18 factorial goes off, giving you 20 multiplied with 19 divided by 2. So if I were to use our formula, what is our formula? NC2, which is equal to n into n minus 1 over 2. Since n is equal to 20, this is going to be 20 times 20 minus 1 divided by 2, which is 20 times 19 over 2. You follow me? So this is exactly what we are getting. Now this is the situation for this condition. Number of ways two items can be chosen from n distinct items. Okay, but the parent formula is this. So having given you this parent formula and shown you how the parent formula reduces to n into n minus 1 over 2, we can now rewrite 20C2 multiplied with 18C2 multiplied with 16C2 etc. all the way to 2C2 as follows. Okay, so this is going to be 20 times 19 over 2. This is going to be 18 times 17 over 2. This is going to be 16 times 15 over 2, and so on and so forth up to the last term, which is going to be 1 year. So clearly in the numerator you have 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 all the way up to 1 divided by, now you have 10 such terms are there. Okay, watch here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 such terms. So you have 2 raised to the power of 10. Now what do you have in the numerator? This is nothing but 20 factorial. What do you have in the denominator? 2 raised to the power of 10. So this is the solution for the question. Ways probably. So the number of ways in which 20 subjects can be assigned to 10 professors with 2 subjects assigned to each is 20 factorial over 2 raised to the power of 10. So this is a lovely question. Please like, share and subscribe.